Hello everyone, here is Leo again, and today I will show you how to make wax seals. This small tutorial video will show you how uncomplicated it is, the whole process, and I will also be sharing some tips. I developed with Stamperia a starter kit that contains everything that you need to start wax sealing. A burner to heat the wax, a melting spoon for easy application, a seal stamp with a handle. The seal is easily removable, allowing you to attach any of the others 12 seals that also come in this kit. And of course, wax beads. In the kit, we will find 12 different wax colors. So let's do it! To start, you're gonna need a tea candle. Just light it up and place your burner on top of it. Place the spoon on the burner and put into it at least 3 wax beads. I always like to work with 5 wax beads. This is the ideal amount for me. I don't like the wax seals too small, and I figured it out that is the perfect amount when you are working with a 2.5 cm seal. While the wax is melting, choose your seal design. I decided to go with the snowflake today. I'm placing on my desk a marble plate where I will pour the melted wax, and I'm already grabbing some paper towels to clean my spoon later. It's time to pour the melted wax onto your chosen area. I almost never place the melted wax straight in my projects because I like a perfect round shape that only a flat surface will give me. Press the stamp into the wax and hold it for a few minutes. To remove eventual bubbles, just grab a lighter and burn them. You will have the perfect wax seal shape. I always like to highlight my seal design, and markers are great options for that. I'm using today a silver one, and you see the difference. Look how the design just pops. I love it. After you finish, just clean the spoon with a paper towel. Take care because the spoon is still hot. When there is still a good amount of melted wax in the spoon, I make small dots with them and put them back with the other wax beads so they can be reusable. It's time to place the wax seal to your project and see how it elevates it.